In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chat history in Notebooklm, updated for 2025. Whether you're new to Notebooklm or just need a refresher on its latest features, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to successfully save your chat histories. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head to Google. Once there, in the search bar, you'll type Notebooklm. This is the quickest way to access the official Notebooklm website if you don't have it bookmarked already. After you've entered that, you should see a list of search results pop up. Look for the official Notebooklm website and click on it. This will direct you to the home page of Notebooklm, where all the magic happens. Now, once you're on the Notebooklm homepage, look for the button labeled Try Notebooklm. Clicking on this will take you to a more specific section of the site where you can start creating and managing your notes. With that done, you're going to see an option to Create New. Clicking this will open up a fresh notebook page where you can start your new project or conversation. This is a key step as it sets the stage for saving your chat history soon. The next move is to find and click on the Upload button. This is particularly useful if you're working with existing files or notes that you'd like to integrate into Notebooklm. Once clicked, a dialog box will appear where you can select the source file you wish to upload. Make sure to choose the appropriate file that contains the content you want to use. After successfully uploading your file, it's time to type in a prompt. This is where you'll communicate what you need to Notebooklm, initiating a chat or interaction. Be clear and specific with your prompt to get the best results from the tool. As you engage in dialogue or work with Notebooklm, you'll naturally accrue valuable chat history. To ensure this information isn't lost, go to the bottom of the chat interface. There, you'll find an option that says Save to Note. Clicking this will save the current chat interaction to your note for future reference. Lastly, once you have saved the chat history, you can locate this saved content at the lower right portion of your screen. This is where all your saved notes and interactions will be housed, making it easy to access your stored information whenever you need it. And there you have it, a straightforward method to saving chat history in Notebooklm. It's an invaluable feature for keeping track of important conversations and ensuring that your insights are never lost. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone who finds themselves frequently using Notebooklm, this feature will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and organization. Don't forget to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Enjoy using Notebooklm.